Hello everyone! Welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video, we learned about cloud storage and Google Drive. Today we are going to learn about two of the most popular video calling tools used for online classes and meetings: Zoom and Google Meet. What are they? How do you use them? And which one is better? Let's learn everything in a very simple and easy way. What is Zoom? Zoom is a video conferencing application that allows people to have video meetings, online classes, and webinars over the Internet. It was founded in 2011 by Eric Yuan and became extremely popular during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 when schools, universities, and offices around the world moved online. Zoom is available on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. You can use Zoom for free with some limitations or upgrade to a paid plan for more features. With the free Zoom plan, you can have unlimited one-to-one meetings. Group meetings with 3 or more participants are limited to 40 minutes. You can have up to 100 participants in a meeting. Screen sharing is available for free. Simple example: Zoom is like a virtual classroom or meeting room. No matter where everyone is in the world, they can all join the same Zoom meeting and see and hear each other in real time. Just like being in the same room. What is Google Meet? Google Meet is a video conferencing tool made by Google. It was originally called Google Hangouts Meet and was rebranded as Google Meet in 2020. Google Meet is completely free to use with a Google account and has no time limit on meetings. Unlike Zoom Free Plan, which has a 40-minute limit for group meetings. Google Meet is available directly in your browser. You do not need to install any software. You can also use the Google Meet app on Android and iOS. Google Meet is deeply integrated with Google Calendar and Gmail, making it very easy to schedule and join meetings. With Google Meet Free Plan, you can have meetings with up to 100 participants. There is no time limit on meetings. Screen sharing is available. Live captions are available in English automatically. Simple example: Google Meet is like having a meeting room built directly inside your Gmail and Google Calendar. You can schedule a meeting in Google Calendar, and it automatically creates a Google Meet link that everyone can join with one click. How to download and install Zoom. Downloading and installing Zoom is very simple. Open your browser and go to zoom.us. Click on the Download Center link at the bottom of the page. Under Zoom Desktop Client, click the Download button. The Zoom installer file will download. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps. Zoom will install in about 1 minute. After installation, Zoom will open automatically. On your smartphone, open Google Play Store on Android or App Store on iPhone. Search for Zoom and install the official Zoom app. It is completely free to download and install. How to create a Zoom account. To use Zoom, you need a free account. Go to zoom.us and click Sign up for free. Enter your date of birth and click Continue. Enter your email address and click Continue. Zoom will send a verification email to your address. Open the email and click Activate Account. Create your password and complete the setup. Your Zoom account is ready. You can also sign up using your existing Google account or Facebook account for faster registration. How to start a Zoom meeting. Starting a Zoom meeting is very easy. Open Zoom on your computer and sign in. On the home screen, you will see a New Meeting button with an orange video camera icon. Click New Meeting to instantly start a meeting. Your camera and microphone will turn on, and you will be in the meeting room. To invite others to join your meeting, click the Participants button at the bottom of the screen. Then click Invite. You can copy the meeting link and share it with others via WhatsApp or email. Anyone who clicks that link can join your meeting instantly. How to join a Zoom meeting. If someone has invited you to a Zoom meeting, they will share a meeting link or a meeting ID with you. To join via link, simply click on the link and Zoom will open and join the meeting automatically. To join via meeting ID, open Zoom and click the Join button on the home screen. Enter the meeting ID and your name and click Join. If the meeting has a password, enter it and click Join Meeting. You are now in the meeting. Important Zoom features. Mute and unmute. At the bottom left of the Zoom screen, you will see a microphone icon. Click it to mute yourself when you are not speaking. This prevents background noise from disturbing others. Click it again to unmute when you want to speak. The keyboard shortcut to mute and unmute is Alt-A on Windows. Chat. The chat feature allows you to send text messages to everyone in the meeting or to specific participants privately. Click the chat button at the bottom to open the chat panel. Type your message and press Enter to send. This is useful for sharing links or asking questions without interrupting the speaker. Reactions. Zoom has emoji reactions that you can use to express yourself without speaking. Click the Reactions button to send a thumbs up, clapping hands, raised hand, or other emoji reactions that appear on your video tile. Raise hand. The Raise Hand feature is very useful in online classes. When you want to ask a question, click Reactions and then click Raise Hand. The teacher will see a hand icon on your video and know you want to speak. This keeps the class organized and prevents everyone from speaking at the same time. Recording. If you are the meeting host, you can record the meeting by clicking the Record button. The recording will be saved to your computer as an MP4 video file after the meeting ends. This is very useful for recording online classes, so you can watch them again later. Virtual background. Zoom allows you to replace your real background with a virtual background image or video. This is useful when your room is messy or you want to look more professional. Click the small arrow next to the camera icon and select Choose Virtual Background. Select any background from the options or upload your own image. Breakout rooms. Breakout rooms allow the host to split participants into smaller groups for group discussions or group work. This is very useful for teachers who want students to work in small groups during an online class. Only the meeting host can create and manage breakout rooms. How to use Google Meet. Using Google Meet is even simpler than Zoom because it works directly in your browser without any installation needed. Starting a Google Meet. Open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. You will see two options, New Meeting and Enter a Code. Click New Meeting to start a new meeting instantly. A meeting room will open in your browser with your camera turned on. Copy the meeting link shown on the left side and share it with others via WhatsApp or email. Joining a Google Meet. If someone shared a Google Meet link with you, simply click the link and it will open in your browser automatically. You will see a preview screen showing your camera. Click Join Now to enter the meeting. If you received a meeting code instead of a link, go to meet.google.com, click Enter a Code, type the code, and click Join. Important Google Meet features. The microphone and camera controls are at the bottom center of the screen, just like Zoom. Click the microphone icon to mute and unmute. Click the camera icon to turn your camera on and off. Screen sharing in Google Meet works the same way as Zoom. Click the Present Now button at the bottom right. Choose to share your entire screen, a specific window, or a specific browser tab. This is very useful for sharing presentations during online classes. The chat feature in Google Meet is on the right side of the screen. Click the chat icon to open it and send messages to all participants. Google Meet also has a Raise Hand feature. Click the Raise Hand icon at the bottom of the screen to let the teacher or host know you want to speak. Google Meet has automatic live captions in English. Click the CC button at the bottom to turn on captions. Everything spoken in the meeting will appear as text at the bottom of the screen. Very useful for people who have difficulty hearing.
Zoom versus Google Meet. Which is better? Both are excellent tools, but each has its advantages. Zoom is better if you need more advanced features like breakout rooms, virtual backgrounds, and detailed host controls. Zoom is also better for large webinars and professional meetings. However, the 40-minute limit on free group meetings is a disadvantage. Google Meet is better for students and beginners because it is completely free, with no time limit, works directly in the browser without installation, and integrates perfectly with Gmail and Google Calendar. Google Meet is the best choice for online classes because it is simple, free, and always accessible from any device. Simple example: Zoom is like a fully equipped professional conference room with many advanced tools. Google Meet is like a simple, clean meeting room that is always open, always free, and always ready to use instantly. Tips for better online classes. Always join the meeting a few minutes early to test your microphone and camera before the class starts. Use headphones for better audio quality and to avoid echo. Mute yourself when you are not speaking to prevent background noise. Use a stable Wi-Fi connection for the best video quality. Find a quiet and well-lit location for your meetings. Keep your camera at eye level for a professional appearance. Close unnecessary apps and browser tabs to ensure the best performance during the meeting. So now you know everything about Zoom and Google Meet, how to install them, how to start and join meetings, and how to use all the important features. Both are amazing tools for online learning and communication. For students, Google Meet is the easiest and most convenient choice. In our next video, we will learn about how to connect Wi-Fi on a computer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.